All right, doing a walkthrough video of Station Unit 44, which is located at the station. It's in the middle row. As you can see, this is the back row, middle row here, and then this goes off in the direction of the pool. This is a Brookshire, which means it's got a 4-bedroom, 4.5 plan, 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. This is also upgraded. Apologize for the sunshine, but we're going to get in and take a quick look so you can get an idea without having to disturb the tenants. All right, as we come in, as I mentioned, this is a Brookshire plan, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. This is one of the nicer units I've ever been in over the years. It has some upgrades that almost no other units have. We'll start with the first bedroom, which is downstairs. This carpet is in excellent condition. Very plush. There's your desk. I will try to see if I can turn on a light here. So, there we go. We'll get the camera to adjust. And that's bathroom 1. One of the things the Brookshire is popular for is the large closets. This also has a half bath. So try to get a good look at the condition of these floors. For a rental unit, it's excellent condition. It's between 1,700 and 1,800 square feet. Current rent is $2,500 and change, going to $2,700 and change. Basically $635 a bed now, moving to $690 a bed. Already renewed 3 tenants. So there's your half bath. A lot of the plans do not have that. That's going to be some storage utility. Access to the air handler. Here's one of the big upgrades. You do not see undermount sinks and granite countertops. You also do not see full size refrigerators. Stainless steel appliances are also an upgrade. Now we'll take a look off the back before we see the rest of the bedrooms. See, this deck has been recently had some good work done to it. It's in great shape. There's parking in the rear as well. And let's come inside, let you see the rest of the bedrooms. Downstairs bedroom number 2, closet, bath. We'll come back out. Again, this is in excellent condition for a rental property. And again, we'll just take note as we go upstairs. This carpet looks like it was very recently replaced. It's more plush than you would see in a lot of these units that have some wear and tear on them. Once you get to the top of the landing, we have washer and dryer that we'll convey with the property almost every time. We'll take a look at these bedrooms. Third bedroom, bright, spacious. It really becomes surprising at how much space there is when you look at this from the front. These closets are massive, and I've actually seen where during football games you might see a mattress in here in some of these places for a guest room. Come out. About to finish up the video right here on the last bedroom upstairs. We got a linen closet. Bedroom 4, 2 up, 2 down. And again, you've got another bath and another really big closet. Biggest one's in the front, but the back one is also quite large. There you have it. Station 44, asking $330,000. Current rent $2,560, going up to basically we're $635 a bed, going to $690 a bed for a 4-bedroom in July 2022.